Welcome to Learn with Endless. For today's video, we are going to discuss about the syllabus and overview of our VAC course of Delhi University, that is Vedic Mathematics-III. Okay, if you're new to my channel, subscribe to my channel. So, without any wasting any further time, let's get started. Here you will learn ways to foster love for maths and remove its fear through Vedic maths, enhance computing skills in students through Vedic mathematics, develop logical and analytic thinking, promote joyful learning of mathematics, discuss the rich heritage of mathematical temper of ancient India. The learning next for the learning outcomes of this course are as follows: overcome the fear of maths, improve critical thinking, ability to do basic maths faster with ease, familiarity with mathematical underpinnings and techniques, appreciate the mathematical advancement of ancient India. Now let's discuss the syllabus. The syllabus for the syllabus there are a total of 4 units. Let's go through one by one. In the unit one is about the contribution of Indian mathematics, trigonometry. Here they will talk about the Baudhayana, Apastamba, Aryabhata I II, Bhaskara I II, Lilavati. Next, for Unit 2, the trigonometric ratios. Here they will discuss about the introduction of the trigonometric ratios, trigonometric identities, Bn of complementary angles, Bn of sum, and difference of an angle. Next, for Unit 3, real life applications of trigonometry. Here they will discuss related to the inverse trigonometric functions, application trigonometry, height and distance. As for the last Unit 4, the Vedic geometry, here they will discuss related to the angle between two lines, perpendicular distance from point to the line, Baudhayana geometry, Jyotisha Shastram, introduction of astronomy, astrology, and time computation, Shilpa Shastram, introduction of temple architecture and construction. And for the practical, there's no point in discussing because it is decided time to time by your university and college and professors. They will surely make you do some project work and file work. So just ask your professors, they will guide you. Okay. As for the next, these are some essential readings and the suggested reading. Anyway, with this, we are over. If you guys want, you can share this video with your friends as such who have the similar course. Anyway, bye for now.